Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm Miaira Jennings, and in this DIY video, I'm going to show you how I turned this into this. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so embroidered jean pockets are really trendy right now, and I've been excited to try embroidery for the first time, so here it goes. I asked you guys on IG whether you'd like to see me embroider flowers or space, and 60% of you guys chose space, so that's what I'll be doing today. I'm starting off with some plain basic jeans, and I'll be using embroidery thread in different colors, these little scissors, a needle, and a pencil. That's it. For more information on these items, just scroll on down to that description box. And let's get started. First, I'm drawing all the planets onto the pocket with my pencil so I can make sure the spacing looks good. And yes, I know Pluto is no longer technically a planet in our solar system, but I'm still including it. Shout out to Pluto. Now that everything is drawn, we're going to start the embroidery process with the sun, and I chose these two nice yellow colors. Now I'm just tying the first thread onto the needle to secure it, and then starting from the inside of the pocket, I'm going to slip the needle right through the center of the sun. Then I'm going to slip the needle back through the top of the outline. After that, I'm slipping the needle back through the middle, and I'm going to repeat this in somewhat of a star formation. Now, just in case you guys are wondering, I did create a little knot at the beginning on the inside of the pocket to make sure things are secure. I'm not sure exactly the best way to go about it, but that's what I did, and it seemed to work. And now that that little star formation is complete, I am slipping the thread over and under those little lines in a circular formation, over one, under one, over one, under one, all the way around until I have a nice little circle. As you can see, things are really coming together nicely, and I really love this technique. It's really simple. I've seen a lot of people use this style for flowers, so I thought it would be great for the sun. And once that's done, I left a little bit of those lines because I'm going to switch to the other yellow thread. And again, starting from the inside, I'm slipping the needle through the top of that first line and then back through the bottom of that first little line. And I'm going to repeat that until I create a little triangle. Alright, and there is our little ray of sunshine. And we're going to repeat this process all the way around on those other little lines. Tying a little knot to secure things, and the sun is complete and looking good. And now it's time to move on to planet Earth. I chose to use this blue and this green color. I'm using my pencil to mark out the shapes of some continents first, and then I'm starting with my green thread, slipping it through the inside and beginning to outline that first continent. Slipping that thread out, then in all the way around until I've outlined that continent. And then I'm going back in and starting at the top of the continent, filling it in from side to side. Repeating this with the other continents, and then switching to my blue thread to complete planet Earth. Just outlining the rest of the circle, and then going back to fill it in side to side. Knotting and trimming the thread, and Earth is complete. Ooh, I'm so excited. Okay, and now it's time to move on to Saturn. And I'm using these two colors. By now, hopefully you guys get the idea, but you're always starting from the inside of the pocket, slipping the needle through, one little line at a time, out and in, and Saturn's ring is now complete. I'm switching to my other thread color, outlining the planet, and then filling it in with stitches from side to side, moving from top to bottom. And Saturn is all done. Moving on to Mars with this red color, outlining the circle and then filling it in with stitches from side to side, moving from top to bottom, and that's it. Now just repeating this to complete the rest of the planets. Have fun with this, play around with the colors. I actually thought about it later that it might be fun to fill in some of the planets and leave some of the other planets just outlined for a nice little variety to mix things up, but it's completely up to you, whatever you want to do. I will say this is an extremely time-consuming project, but it's so rewarding. I'm already loving how this looks. If you want to learn other techniques, I definitely recommend searching Pinterest. That's where I found a lot of these. And that's it. The planets are done, and as a finishing touch, we're going to add the orbit lines. Yes, I know technically all the planets have their own orbit lines, but for the sake of space, we're just doing 3. I'm splitting the white thread, so we're just using 3 strands instead of 6, and creating short dotted lines. Now, I thought it looked great before, but I gotta say these orbit lines really bring everything together. Oh yes, the solar system is complete. And as a very last cherry on top, I just wanted to make that pocket pop more, so I took my black fabric marker and outlined the pocket. And that's it, guys. It is done. I am so proud of this. It took me forever, but it looks so good. I gotta go try them on. Let's go. And that's it. Not too bad for my first time, huh? Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please drop a comment below to let me know what you think and let me know what you want to see me DIY next. If you're not already subscribed, hit that subscribe button and the notifications bell so you never miss a video. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.